I'm going to be running my .html file. Um, okay, so the first number, 5, and 2, and the results 10. Going to be running again, 7, and 5. The result is 21. It's still the same, and now it is -5, so -1. And then I'm going to run it again for the last time. So it's going to be 5, and then -2. The result, -1. All right. So now I'm gonna run my CPP file from my terminal. So the first code, I'm gonna run the code, and then I'm gonna run the main. So the first number I'm gonna put is 5, and second number 2, the result 10, and then I'm gonna run it again. So the first number is 7, and then the second number 5. So the result 21, still the same. Run it again. So the first number is -5. The result is -1. Exit it. So I'm gonna run for the last time. So the first number 5, and then the second number -2. So the result is -1. There is exit it. All right.